Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another review and install. Kemimoto sent me the Honda Grom mirror mounts to put on the Honda. This product is going to provide a 120-degree folding angle where you can fold them in. And there's no need to replace your OEM mirrors. As you can see, I did replace mine. I didn't know about this product at the time. The stock mirrors, they kind of suck, because when you get on, you can't really see past your shoulders. But what I'm thinking is this product is going to allow the mirrors to extend a little bit, therefore you'll be able to see more behind you. So as you can see, it comes in this box. It's pretty tiny. Go ahead and get it open. And here's the two bolts and then the two brackets that are gonna go onto the bike. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. All right, so what you're gonna be needing is a 14mm wrench. Simply go ahead and lift this up and loosen the bolts. And the mirror just unscrews just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and be back with you. So to begin the installation process, you're gonna need your bracket. It's gonna go on just like this. And so it comes with this bolt. You're going to need a 8mm Allen key to install it. What you do is go ahead and put the bolt inside and then start tightening it down. I'm not going to tighten it down all the way, just until we get the mirror on and get everything positioned. So go ahead and take your stock mirror and then simply thread it in. All right, so it's in. And take your 14mm wrench and go ahead and just tighten it down. Alright, so I went ahead and I installed it. As you can see, it does extend it, a few inches to the left, a little bit more than the stock position. My theory is you are going to be able to see further past you instead of just seeing your shoulders. So I'm going to go ahead and put the stock one back on to the right side and show you all the difference. So here's the stock mirror, and here's the mirror with the bracket from Kemimoto. I don't know if y'all can tell, but like on this mirror, you can see a lot of my arm versus this side. You can see a lot less. So from a riding position, you see a lot more behind you from the left side. All right, now let's get this side installed now. So again, the Kemimoto logo faces you. Insert the bolt. Then get your stock mirror. Thread it through. And then there is the finished product. So I don't know if y'all can tell, but from my perspective, I can see a lot more, behind me through the mirrors. I'm not really looking at my shoulders that much. So yeah, if you're a fan of the stock mirrors and you want to see just a little bit more past you, I would recommend grabbing this product. I think it's worth it. And also, another cool feature of these mirror mounts is that the mirrors can fold in just like this to save up room if you need to. Guys, this installation was really easy to install. The brackets seem to be really good quality. They're made out of aluminum. Again, you know, you can fold them in and out to save some room if you need to. And it does provide a little bit more viewing angles for you in replace of the stock mirror position. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video. You can get these off of Amazon. I'll go ahead and provide the link below along with a discount code to get 10% off of Kemimoto's Amazon store. So until next time, see y'all later.